Okay, it's working? Alright, great. So, I'd say these are more than cooked enough. And you cook the bacon and the burgers together, they kind of interchange their greases, and you get kind of bacon grease with the burgers and the burger with the bacon. It tastes pretty good. So we're going to take these off now. And they're pretty good. Okay. There we go. I'll show you what I'm going to do with all this stuff. Now you're probably thinking, what is this madman concocting? All this bacon and stuff. Well, now we got to move to the next part of my plan, which is to get the eggs going. Because now this is going to be hard to do with one hand. I'm not very good at getting eggs to go. I'm going to have to think of what to do here. Maybe I'll lean my cell phone up and do this. And then I'll try to get the egg to go in normally and break it. Oh, crud. Okay, I'm going to have to get better at doing eggs, but you get the idea. Try not to get the shell in there. I'm surprised it didn't break open when I tapped it. These are some hard eggs to crack. What's going on with these eggs? Okay. I'm trying to get as little shell in there as possible. Yeah, I'm going to have to improve my egg cooking abilities, but we got some eggs in there. And this is going to be the next part of the bacon breakfast burger. Ultimate bacon breakfast burger, or ultimate breakfast burger. Man, that's a tongue tire. But, even better, now the eggs are going to cook in the grease from the burgers and the bacon. So the eggs are going to get that flavor too. It's going to be great. So we're going to cook up those eggs. And while those are cooking, I think it's time for us to do this ultimate life hack where we use the toaster to make hash browns. This is always a good idea. Come on. Okay. Because hash browns are part of this breakfast burger that we're having for supper. Yeah, I'm mixing it up. I'm all over the place today. So let's plug in the toaster. And let's toast up some hash browns. So in case you didn't know, this is a quick way to get hash browns toasted. Check out that life hack. So our eggs are going. Well, this one's kind of runny. Maybe I'll throw another egg in there just to be safe. Nothing but perfection for these burgers. Oh boy, go cook those burgers. Man, this is going to be so cool. I gotta put the phone down though to crack the egg. Okay. Come on. You don't know how to cook an egg, do you? I'm a lovable character. You're so stupid, it's entertaining. Come on. There we go. It'll be fine. Alright. So those are our eggs. I'm gonna go get a Coca-Cola. So now, I've got the eggs cooking, the meat's ready, hash browns are hashing, and then we got our other ingredients, the pancakes and waffles. They're the next part of this special burger that I'm making. It's gonna be good, man. Oh, trust me, this will pay off. Let's see if I can sort the bacon pieces. They're all kind of stuck together. Oh, the hash browns are hashed. Now you always want to toast these 2 times if you're just eating them by themselves, 3 times if you're using them as part of any kind of sandwich in order to get structural integrity. Okay. Alright, it's coming. Oh, look at that burger. Eggs. Eggs are good. When you see what I'm making, you're going to be pretty happy with it. It's really good. Obviously, I have to exercise a lot in order to be able to eat stuff like this. Okay. But when you see what this looks like when it's done, you'll definitely want to come over and try one. It's going to be pretty awesome. I gotta learn how to get better at making eggs though, because they're not really turning out how I wanted them to, but that's kind of on me as a cook. You know, I gotta improve these skills. Eggs are so nutritious too. Like, if you can get good at cooking them and making different stuff, it's really good for your workout plan. Oh. Let's see if these are the pancakes I ordered, if I got them right. Microwave. Toast at lowest. Oh, I'm reading the pancake instructions. Okay, so these are the pancakes I was trying to get. The ones where you just put them in the toaster and they're good to go. Now, if you know, maybe if you want like higher quality pancakes, then you would get better ones than that. But for our purposes here today, these will suffice. And oh boy, is this gonna be good? Trust me, I'm cooking up something good. When you hang around with me, you're gonna have a lot of fun video games on hand and delicious foods and my hilarious antics. You never know. I'm extremely random and unpredictable. I never really know what I'm going to do next, but it'll usually involve video games or eating. Or some kind of scheme. I come up with those a lot. Trust me, I know this video is kind of run longer than I planned on it running, but it's going to be good. It's about as runny as these eggs, am I right? Gotta get our waffles out. This is gonna be awesome, trust me. These are almost done too. I want you to see this when it's done. I put a lot of work into this recipe. Look at this. Like, what happened here? Cook it in the grease. Get it in there. Suck up all the bacon juices there. There we go. Get it all in the grease. Yeah. You know what? Would it really kill us to have one more egg? I don't think so. We could do one more, right? I think we could. You know. On the other hand, though, I don't want to waste them on these continuous failed efforts to make eggs. But I got them on sale. I always get stuff on sale. Oh, I just love saving money. Can relate strongly to Mr. Krabs. Okay. Done. Waffles are next. I should get like videos about with different cartoons and stuff. I think I've got videos about all the different cartoons and stuff that I can get for YouTube in different playlists. It's hard. YouTube's tough because of all the copyright rules, right? There's stuff that I'd like to include on there that I can't get on there just because of copyright. Just like a caveman, just ripping it open. No scissors. Doing it the caveman way. Look at that, it's going. Okay, so we still got like a bit more cooking to do, but you know, it'll be ready soon. It's gonna be good.